Okay, so sorry for the noise of the cars outside, but today I'm starting by making a list of things to do. Sorry, I don't know why it's not focusing. There we go. Okay. So I need to edit my 2020 favorites video. I also need to edit the holiday look. I need to film Ipsy, and I definitely need to edit Ipsy because I think either my Ipsy or BoxyCharm is supposed to go up today, or maybe it's tomorrow. I think it's today. I don't have my BoxyCharm yet, but I do have my Ipsy, so I need to film and edit that today for sure. So these are like two really important things. I also need to clean. It's really hard to write like this. This is not, I don't usually sit this way to write. I usually I'm really bogged down on my page. So I need to clean the apartment, film this video. So I feel like there's definitely something else that I need to do today. Oh, I need to wash the sheets. And I need to send out save the dates, which means I need to write like on the envelope. And there's something else. Oh, I wanted to make cookies. Some of these things I can obviously do tomorrow because I'm also off tomorrow. But I really want to get these things here done, and obviously like these things can be going on like, well, I mean, these are two like individual things. Technically this is two, but this can go on while like something else is being done. So yeah, that's my list for today. Okay, so I just got ready like halfway. This brow's like really strong. I've been using my pomade from Anastasia, and my brows are like a little crazy. I also used my new NARS foundation. If you didn't see, oh dear. If you didn't see the last set of vlogs that we did, I did haul the new NARS foundation. What is with my hair? I'm letting it dry the rest of the way, just like air dry, and then I'm gonna put some hairspray in it. Maybe I should go ahead and put hairspray in it because it's looking a little whack. I can't with my brows. I don't know how to fix it, so I might try to fix it real fast and then start like cleaning or something like that. Yeah, I gotta fix the brows. I can't do them. Okay guys, so I have another question, like another laundry question for you all. I know that I just like asked one about Tide Pods in the last set of vlogs, which you would only know if you watched the last set of vlogs. But are you all like, whenever you wash your sheets or your towels, are you like the Unstoppables, like the little pellets type people, or are you like fabric softener? I kind of bounce back and forth. I like doing both. I mean, not both at the same time, but just like both in general. I'm curious. Let me know. Oh, I don't know why I want to know. I just do. But I'm about to wash our sheets now. So, and then I'm going to clean because I need to. I just went to go change this countdown to say like 9 days till Christmas. And I realized there's two of the same dice block. Like there's no 6 through 9 anywhere. It's like 0 through 5 maybe. Something like that. Like, I don't know why, I just think that's so funny. I'm kind of sad because now we have to get another one because I can't go lower until like 5 days. Okay, so I just finished cleaning. The only thing I have to do is I have to take out the trash because it's starting to like smell weird. But I was gonna wait because since it's like raining outside, I was gonna go and film my Ipsy first. My heat just cut off, so I think now is a good time to start that. Yeah, fun times here. Okay, so I just finished filming my Ipsy video. It's like 10:30 now or something like that. So I need to eat because I'm starving right now. I also need to take out the trash because like I said, I finished cleaning. I just need to take that out. I think the first round of sheets might be done. So I need to check on that. I also want to wash towels today. And I realized I forgot a few things. Like there's just like little things that I need to do. Like we need to put batteries like in one of our ornaments. And I need to like put some things just like away. And I need to wrap Jacob's gifts. I said I was going to do that yesterday, but I had literally no time. So I might do that today if I have time, which Jacob doesn't get off till like 4. So I still technically have like 5-ish hours, like a little over 5 hours, like to get that stuff done. Which is plenty of time, I think.
But I also just want to like chill. You know, I feel like whenever you don't have time off, or like you've put something off for such a long time, like I put cleaning off for a very long time because I just did. And so, you know, I just want to like relax because I'm like, oh girl, you did it. You cleaned your apartment. I was going somewhere with that and now I have no idea, so I'm just gonna sign off for now.
So I wanted to give you all a little update on where we are. So right now I am watching the other set, like the other, like her comforter basically. I filmed, oops, the Ipsy. I added wash towels on there, and I've fixed little things like that I needed to do. Now I'm gonna work on editing the Ipsy. I think I'm gonna save editing these two until tomorrow. And then obviously I have to wait for the washer to finish like this and this. And yeah, so I'm gonna edit Ipsy. And then I might make the cookies and then do the save the date. So yeah, oh, I also have to wrap Jacob's gifts. So I might make the cookies, wrap Jacob's gifts, and then do the save the dates. Because I technically need Jacob to help me with the save the dates because some of the addresses he has on his phone. So that's where we are. So I wanted to give you all a little update. I just edited and now I'm uploading the Ipsy video. I just ran the dogs outside my nose. This foundation, a little update on it. My nose isn't red, which I know that it would be because it's super cold outside, but you can't see it. Can't see the line, can you, Russ? Nope. Okay, so I just finished wrapping Jacob's gifts. Now I think I'm just gonna chill for a little while. My sheets are done like drying and like being washed and stuff. Right now the towels are just in the dryer. But I'm gonna wait to make the bed just a little while longer. And I know I need to do the save the date things. But I just want to take a break, you know, just like a little breather. My back hurts from like being on the floor wrapping, but it's all done. So, yeah. Okay, so I just got back home from the store. Somehow I managed to leave my phone, like at home. Actually, it's not that uncommon, but usually I'm not alone, so it usually doesn't matter. But anyways, so I got a cookie rack because the cookies that I want to make are supposed to cool on a cookie rack, and we don't have one. So I figured why not get that one. And then I got us another pair of scissors. It's kind of like null now, or like pointless now, but we only had one pair, and really it's not even like a good pair. It's like that teeny tiny little pair. So I got us a bigger pair of scissors. Some V8s, it's like 4 V8s or something like that. And then this bag here, I got us another shower liner because ours is kind of like dingy. And then I also got us, because I couldn't remember if we had any or not, some extra like teriyaki. This one's sesame teriyaki, but I think it'll be fine. And then I got fabric softener, and we have these. Okay, I gotta put it down. It's kind of heavy. This kind of brand, the Snuggle brand, like this line, for our like sheets, like I can't think of what they're called. You know, like the sheets, the fabric sheets. Really can't think of what they're called. Maybe that's what they're called. But we are in need of some fabric softener. We're about out of the one we have, and so I bought that one. That's my little haul. Jacob's home, everybody, in case you wanted to know. But these are the cookies that we made, these molasses spice cookies. And we got it from, well, I got it from like Jessica Braun and her husband, like their channel. That's where all of the cookies, minus the Rolo ones, that we made, where they've come from. So I don't take credit for any of these cookie idiots. But yeah, I tasted the batter. Actually, we both tasted the batter, and it tasted pretty good, right?
It tastes pretty good. That's funky.
Mm-hmm. So, pretty excited. They're in the oven now, so. Okay, so here's dinner. It was really easy. We just used, like, 90-second rice, and then I had some, like, chicken. Huh?
What?
Grains. Okay, I messed up and got grains. It should be rice, but it's not, so. And then, like, a bag of frozen, like, stir-fry, which comes with, like, a sauce packet, so you could just use that. I ended up using teriyaki sauce and putting in a little bit of, like, extra, like, sugar and stuff like that. And then we had some, like, chicken that we needed to use, so that's on there. Hopefully it's good. We'll see.
Sure it is.
Alright, so I wanted to show you all the... Don't you love Jacob's sweater, by the way? It's so ugly.
So random.
I got this one. It just says dashing through the snow. They were pretty picked over, honestly. Despite, like, not being on sale or anything, but I thought it was cute still. And then Jacob's $50 ornament.
Thanos' glove.
Oh, are you going to show what it does? For $20?
It lights up.
He's very proud.
Well, was this or the... I don't know what they're called. The bird on... The
Oh, I
Star
don't
Wars.
know what they're called either. But yeah. Okay, Artie's still sleeping. And Frankie's doing good since.
Powerful boy.
Okay, guys, we're just gonna ignore my hair, like, all day. Because it's just gonna be one of those crazy hair days, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to fix it. At all. Although, the back is driving me crazy. Right back in here. So, I don't know. We might do something about that. But, yeah, I just got up and I took a shower. Well, I washed my body. I didn't wash my hair yet. And I did do a little workout, so I was proud of myself. I mean, it was just like some sit-ups, some push-ups, and some squats. But I still felt good about doing that, considering I've been putting it off for forever. Which I know you're probably like, Gracie, it's like the most basic thing you could do. You could do that any day of the week. Yeah, but, okay. Now I think I'm going to clean up my desk a little bit because I've got stuff from filming my Ipsy video. And then I'm going to edit my holiday look in my 2020 favorites. So that's the plan, and then I'll get ready for the day. Okay, so real quickly, I decided to get rid of some brushes because I just wasn't using them. I will be giving them to, like, family. So I have this one here from Aesthetica. It's just a little bit scratchy. It's like a powder brush, but I literally never use it. So I'm going to get rid of that. This Eco Tools, what's it even for? Diffused blush is too small for me for blush. Like, it's literally the size of my thumb. So that's just too small, so I just don't use it. This flat contour from, I don't even know how you say that, Bugatti? That's not it, but it's just too oddly shaped, and I don't really use contours like that are super sharp like that. And then these two are from BoxyCharm. But I just don't use these type of brushes. Like, you can literally see the dust on this one from where I don't use it. LOL. Okay, so I was going to edit first and then get ready, but apparently my mouse was, like, dead. So, I am charging that right now. I can't decide if I want to go eat. I think I'm going to go grab, like, a V8 and then come back in and edit. I'm really digging the look that I did. I used my Natasha Denona, like, green-brown palette. And I think the eyes look very... I mean, it's kind of dark, but, like, watching that shade hit the light is so pretty. I also am wearing my Dior foundation. I'm trying it out today. I need to try the NARS one again because I don't know what I did. I think it was the powder that I mixed it with. I don't think that, or not mixed it with, but, like, used with it didn't work out as well because it really broke up on my nose and my chin, which isn't not normal, but I also don't think that I used, like, anything super moisturizing, and my skin was pretty dry yesterday, so I think I needed to do that. So I didn't feel like it was really fair, so I used a different powder with the Dior one, and I used like, I made sure that my skin was moisturized. I even used, like, a moisturizing primer. So we'll see. It looks pretty good so far. I was a little bit concerned that it was going to be too dark, which it still might be too dark, so I might need to get a different shade, but so far so good. Okay, well, I haven't vlogged in a while, mainly because I haven't really done much today. Oh, here comes Frankie. I don't know, I just haven't. I took a shower just a few minutes ago, like, I just got out. Also, side note, so whenever it's just me here with the dogs, whenever I go to take a shower, I leave the door, like, cracked. So then if I hear them barking like crazy, I can, you know, yell and say, hey, it's okay, like, you're fine, and then they usually stop. Oh, here's Coyote. But today, Coyote was not settling, and most days, they don't settle for the door just being slightly cracked. It has to be open, or, like, cracked, like, like a half a foot, like 6 inches. And I think well, I don't know if Jacob leaves the door cracked, but I do. But like, even if I were to shut the door, usually Frankie like sits outside of the door. Coyote will like be sitting outside of the door. They'll both be outside of the door. And they don't really do it for Jacob that much, but they always do it for me. Or at least I don't think that they do. But I just think it's sweet. They always gotta know where mommy is, huh? Also, I went through my candles. That was one thing that I did. I didn't film it because I was mainly just smelling them to see if they still had the smell. And most of them I really, really like. But the smell's kind of just like gone or weird or changed or something. So I actually got rid of, let's see, 9. That's a pretty good amount, I feel. And I got rid of like 3 little like wall scent things just because they kind of like lost their smell, and like the smell of them actually gave me a headache whenever I had them in, and I just hadn't gotten rid of them yet. But yeah, it's pretty good. I saved ones like that haven't been burned, and I'm gonna like give them in like gifts or something. But yeah, that's that. Okay. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. It's a sweet Asian taco meat. It's honestly my favorite taco meat that we've ever had. So that's what it looks like there. There's Frankie, of course, guarding, waiting for something. Move, please. Can you move? Okay. And we're gonna actually serve them in these peppers. We haven't served them in peppers before, but I'm sure that it'll be tasty. And then we have some cheese dip and chips, and I am super excited. All we did for the peppers, it's like cut them in half, core them, and then for 400 for like a few, just until they're tender. I also put like some vegetable oil and salt and pepper on it. But yeah, it's all coming together quite nice. Okay, so we finished with dinner, actually like a while ago. And it was okay in the peppers. I prefer it like not in the peppers because I don't know, the way the meat is, I guess. But I mean, it was still pretty good. And then we watched Holiday in Handcuffs, which is like one of my favorite Christmas movies because it's just funny. I mean, it's like PG-13 or something like that. But it's funny. So I'm drawing my chair over here to my mirror so I can see how this foundation wore. Give me one sec. Okay, so it did wear off on my nose, but it definitely doesn't look as bad as I thought that the NARS one did. But I mean, there is some obvious wear on it, but I mean, that's okay. But I'm about to take it off now, and yeah, I'm gonna straighten my hair too. Okay, so I just got off work. It is like the next day. I haven't vlogged it. It's like 1:30 or something. I ended up staying late at work, and it doesn't really matter, but it is like it's 2 o'clock now because I got off at 1:30. I didn't vlog this morning because I was like, oh, it's fine, I mean, it was the same old, but yeah, so now I'm home. I'm gonna eat like a fruit cup or 2, and then I'm gonna film before Jacob gets home, and I might end up eating, something else too. But yeah, that's so far. Okay, so it's like 4 o'clock now. I need to pick up from filming before Jacob gets home because he is on his way. But I wanted to show you what I got at Walgreens real fast because I'm super excited. I picked this up. It's a little countdown to Christmas, and it has a 5, unlike that one over there. So I don't know what we're gonna do with that one. I don't know if we can take it back. I don't even know if we have the receipt or anything. But I thought this was cute, so I got this as a replacement.
Oh, it's not gonna hurt you. It just blows up. And not like kaboomy, just like nails up.
So right now we're about to watch How the Grinch Stole Christmas, and I've got pizza. It's like this broccoli cheddar pizza in the oven, and then we also have cheese sticks. And there's Jacob's Grinch shirt. I don't know if you can see it. Will I be able to lighten it up? Oh no, I can't. I can't lighten it up. I think I just focused on Clark.
But it's got legs.
It does have legs. It's pretty hideous. Anyway.
Pretty great.
There you can see him. Okay, so I forgot. Well, I didn't really forget. I was just so tired last night because we had some friends over to play cards to edit and put up Vlogmas. I was way too tired. So I'm ending it now, even though technically it's the next day. So I will see you in this day's vlog in a couple days. But thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe. Stay tuned for more Vlogmas and then just more videos in general. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.